Track 1.14. Unit 1. My Country. Exercise 2. Adalia's Daily Routine.
Meet Adalia. She's a grade 6 student at Panfilov Kazakhstani Russian Gymnasium 54 in Almaty. It's a big school with about 1,500 students. During term time, Adalia usually follows the same routine. Her day starts early. She usually gets up at 7 o'clock. Then she has a shower. Then she gets dressed and goes downstairs for breakfast. After breakfast, she finds the things she needs for school. When she's ready, her grandma, Raisa, takes her to school on foot. Adalia usually has 6 lessons a day. Her favorite lesson is Kazakh, but she doesn't like PE. At 11 a.m., there is a break, and Adalia has brunch with her classmates. They usually have buns with tea or apple juice. When school finishes at 2 p.m., her grandma meets her and they go back home. They have lunch together and talk about their days. They usually have meatballs with mashed potatoes or chicken soup, because they are Adalia's favorite foods. Adalia is a very hard-working student. So, in the afternoon, she always does her homework and gets ready for the next day. 3 days a week, Adalia goes to a music school. She's in the choir, and they practice singing and learn new songs. In the evening, she usually goes for a walk with her friends and her brother, Diaz. Adalia is busy, but if she has time, she helps her mother around the house. At 10 p.m., Adalia goes to bed.